Welcome to the lecture about data warehousing and data lakes, where we discuss about their key differences and use cases. Let's begin by first introducing what data warehousing and what data lakes are. Data warehousing is a traditional storage solution that organizes data into structured formats, primarily designed to support business intelligence activities such as reporting and data analysis. Data warehouses typically store cleaned, processed, and highly curated data. Data lakes, on the other hand, are a more modern data storage solution that accommodates both structured and unstructured data in its raw format. This flexibility allows organizations to store vast amounts of data without needing to process it upfront, making it ideal for advanced analytics and big data applications. Now let's discuss about the key differences in data structure and schema for data warehousing and data lakes. In data warehousing, data is highly structured and organized into tables, rows, and columns. This approach ensures data consistency and is tailored for specific queries and reporting needs. On the other hand, data lakes allow data to remain in its raw, unprocessed state. This means that data lakes can handle diverse data types, including text, audio, video, and more, which provides a lot of flexibility but also requires advanced data management to ensure usability. Now let's talk about performance. Data warehouses are optimized for performance when running complex queries and analytics on structured data. They provide fast response times for query execution, making them ideal for business intelligence operations. Data lakes typically do not provide the same level of performance for structured queries because of their less organized nature. However, they excel in storing vast quantities of data that can be processed on demand, making them suitable for big data analytics and machine learning models. Use cases for data warehouses include financial reporting, business analytics, and trend analysis, where data consistency and accuracy are critical. In contrast, data lakes are used for data science, predictive analytics, and machine learning, where diverse data formats and rapid data ingestion are needed. Now let's compare both options in terms of cost, scalability, and accessibility. Data warehouses are generally more expensive due to the costs associated with data processing, storage, and ongoing management. They are also less flexible when it comes to scaling, as scaling often requires significant adjustments or investments. Data lakes are more cost-effective, especially for organizations dealing with massive volumes of data. Their scalability is a major advantage, allowing companies to easily add new data without extensive reconfiguration. Accessibility differs between the two, as data warehouses offer a user-friendly environment for business users through structured query language interfaces, known as SQL, while data lakes often require more technical expertise to navigate, as data is stored in less accessible formats. When deciding between a data warehouse and a data lake, it's crucial to consider your organization's specific needs, including the type of data you work with, your performance requirements, and your team's skill set. In many cases, a hybrid approach can be the most effective solution. Organizations can leverage the structured environment of data warehouses for business intelligence while using data lakes for big data analytics and advanced data science projects. If you are eager to learn more and dive deeper into the world of databases, check out my courses on Udemy. Check out the links in the description below and start your learning journey with me.